welcome to another video. I want to do something different and just talk to y'all while I do my hair. I really want to talk about how it is okay to wear your hair straight, because I feel like a lot of people act like wearing your hair straight means that you're running from being natural, or you're not embracing your natural curl pattern or your natural hair, and that is not true. It's just hair, and you can wear it however you want, whenever you want it, okay? Do what you want to do, and then on top of that, it's your hair. Whether it's straight, curly, relaxed, or natural, it's your hair. You're not any less of anything because of how you choose to wear it. Hair is meant to be versatile, it's meant to be fun, and the way you choose to wear your hair does not define you. So if you love your straight hair, wear it straight. If you love your curls, wear it big and bold. But do what makes you happy, because at the end of the day, it's just hair.
When he's finished, does he step back and adore you? I just gotta know, 'cause your time is money and